Here's something I hear from advisors and agents all the time. I can close anyone who sits down with me. I just don't have enough people sitting down. One advisor told me he had a 100% close rate, but only made $500,000. But his colleague at the same firm, same products, was doing over $3 million a month in annuity production. The difference wasn't skill. In this video, I'm going to show you why the best closers in the annuity space are still plateauing, why your close rate is actually hiding the real problem, and what the advisors who break through 5, 10 million and beyond are doing differently. And it's not what you think. Before I get into it, let me say this. If you're someone who can close, I respect that. That is the hardest part of this business. Most people can't do what you do, and that's not flattery, it's just true. But here's what I keep seeing after working with over 1,700 advisors and agents. The best closers are often the most frustrated because they know they should be doing more. They can feel the gap between what they're capable of and what they're actually producing. And they can't figure out why because the one number they've always been proud of, their close rate, is telling them that everything is fine. So here's what I'm going to walk you through. First, the identity paradox that keeps strong closers stuck. Then, the math that breaks that belief. After that, I'll show you why warm market has an expiration date most advisors don't see coming. And then I'll give you the framework that changes everything without asking you to become a marketer. Let me tell you about Brian. Brian was batting 1,000. Every single person he sat down with, he closed. His close rate was perfect, but Brian was only talking to one or two people a week, and at the end of the year, his production was 500,000. Meanwhile, his colleague at the same firm, same products, same level of skill, was doing $3 million a month. Same firm, same products, same skill, completely different pipeline. And here's the thing, Brian didn't think he had a problem. His close rate was perfect. So the problem must be somewhere else, right? Maybe the products, maybe the firm, maybe it's the leads, maybe the economy. But it wasn't any of those things. It was the number of people sitting down across from him. This is what I call the identity paradox. The better you are at closing, the more you believe the problem is somewhere else. I can close anyone who sits down with me. Great. But how many people are you sitting down with? And this pattern shows up everywhere. We hear it on nearly every sales call. It's not the salesmanship, I got that part down. It's not the language, I got that part down. It's getting enough people to have the conversation with. That's a 20-year veteran. He's not confused about how to sell annuities. He's confused about why his production doesn't match his skill. And the answer is always the same. It's not the close rate, it's the pipeline. So if closing ability isn't the bottleneck, what is? Let me show you the math that changes how you think about this. Here's where it gets uncomfortable because the math doesn't care about your close rate. Let's say you're working your warm market, you're getting 4, maybe 5 real conversations a month, and your close rate is 70%. That's elite. That's 3 closings a month or 36 cases per year. Now compare that to 20 leads per month at a 30% close rate. That's 6 closing per month or 72 cases a year. Double the production with less than half of the close rate. A lower close rate producing double the output. That's not hypothetical. That's certainly the difference between a stuck $1.7 million producer and a predictable $5 million plus producer. And the gap is not talent, it's pipeline control. One advisor told me, I don't suck at scoring, I just need more opportunities to score. It's hard to score 15 goals when you get 2 shots on goal. That's exactly it. You can be the best striker on the field, but if you only touch the ball twice, you're not winning. The advisors who break through 4, 6, 8, $10 million plus consistently, they're not dramatically better closers than you. They're just no longer dependent on random opportunity. At $1 million a year, hustle works. At $2 million, hustle starts fighting back. And somewhere around that line, you have to stop asking, how do I close better? And start asking, how do I control my pipeline? Now, I know some of you are thinking, the math makes sense, but where are those 20 leads coming from? Because the people I know are tapped out. And that's the next problem because warm market has a ceiling that most advisors don't see until they've already hit it. Nancy has been in the business for 17 years. She has over 2,000 clients in her book, and she told me something that surprised me. It's a lot of work to work your book of business. People think it's easy. Oh, just call your old client. That client's probably 15 years old. 2,000 clients, 17 years of relationships, and she still said, sometimes it's just easier to get a new lead and start from there. A 17-year veteran saying cold acquisition is easier than mining her warm market. That tells you how exhausting the referral model becomes. And then there's Sami, 33 years in the business, over 1,000 clients, built over 3 decades. She peaked at $4 million in production pre COVID. Today, 1.2 million. 1,000 clients over 33 years, and her production is going backwards. The warm market didn't just plateau, it eroded. Clients age out, they move away, they stop referring. The pool doesn't just stop growing, it actually shrinks. This is the ceiling that nobody talks about. Warm market is finite and it actually decays. Every client you close is one fewer person in the referral pool. Every friend you approach is one more relationship that's been tapped. And unlike a pipeline system that generates new conversations every month, your warm market only gets smaller over time. Your production is capped by your network size, not your skill level. And the cool part is your close rate stays the same, so it looks like everything is fine, doesn't it? But the number of people you're talking to keeps dropping, and you can't figure out why production is flat when you're still closing everyone who shows up in front of you. So the warm market has a ceiling and it decays. But here's where most advisors get stuck. They think the only alternative is buying garbage leads from a vendor and cold calling strangers. And that's not what I'm talking about. Let me show you why the conversation changes completely when prospects show up pre educated. Now, I want to be upfront about something. If you go from a warm market to any kind of digital lead source, your close rate is going to come down. And most advisors hear that and panic. But let me explain why that's actually the point of it all. When you close a referral, you're not starting from scratch. That person already trusts someone who trusts you. Half of the sale happened before you opened up your mouth. Your skill finishes the job, but the relationship got you to the table. When a prospect comes through a branded pipeline, that shortcut doesn't exist. They don't know you yet, so the close rate drops. That's just how it works. But here's the part most advisors miss. A good system replaces that trust in a different way. Before they ever book a call, they've already consumed your education based content. They've filled out a survey that tells you exactly what they have and what they're looking for. So by the time you get on the phone, they're not cold. They chose you, they came to you, and that's completely a different conversation than chasing someone down at a networking event. One advisor put it this way. He said, it's almost like going on a blind date, but their best friend calls you and tells you all of their favorite things before you even go on the date. That's exactly what a branded system does. It warms up the conversation before you ever have it. And here's what matters. You already saw the math. A 30% close rate on 20 of those conversations still doubles the output of a 70% close rate on 4 or 5 warm market conversations. So, yes, the close rate does come down, but the production goes up, and you're no longer depending on who happens to mention your name this month. So now you understand the math. You understand why warm market decays. You understand why the close rate is lower, but the production is higher. Now, let me give you the framework that ties all of this together. Think of it this way. You're a pianist. Your skill on the keys is undeniable. But right now, you're playing in a living room for 3 people. The piano hasn't changed. Your talent hasn't changed. What needs to change is the venue. You need a stage with a bigger audience. A branded pipeline system doesn't replace your skill, it gives your skill the audience that it deserves. 20 plus pre qualified prospects per month who already know your name, your approach, your philosophy before they ever book the call. Now your close rate has something to work with. Instead of your close rate compounding at 0, it's compounding on volume. Same skill, 10 times the opportunity. So, what does that look like in practice? Well, it's 20 plus pre qualified leads hitting your CRM every month. Each one is already problem aware and actively looking for the kind of solution that a best in class indexed annuity provides before they ever book the call with you. You can see their investable assets, their timeline, their situation before ever picking up the phone. You know who's worth your time and who isn't before the conversation even starts. Compare that to a warm market referral where you don't find out what someone has until you're 30 minutes into the conversation. With a branded pipeline, the guesswork is gone. You're walking to every call with data, and our campaigns are known for producing the highest average cases among the carriers that we work with. It's not an accident. That's what happens when the system pre qualifies before you ever get involved. And because they've already consumed your branded content before they booked, you're not starting from scratch. You're having a real conversation with someone who showed up because they already see you as the person who can help. Now, I know numbers on a screen are one thing, but let me show you what happens when actual closers get this system behind them. Kevin got stuck on the lead hamster wheel at one of these big multi level IMOs. You know the pitch. The only secret to success is to buy more leads, spend more on leads, buy bigger lead packages. It nearly bankrupted him. He had the skill, but the system he was plugged into was designed to drain him, not grow him. In 2025, after a few years of working with us, he did just under $8 million in annuity production. That's 88% year over year growth over his prior year, and he's on track for over $12 million in production in 2026. Seth, he was selling tea. He's my old friend from Brooklyn. Zero annuity experience. Using this system, he went from zero to over $5 million a year in annuity production in just a few years. And this year, he's on pace to do over $10 million. He submitted 3.3 million in March and alone and already issued 1.8 million of it. Mark, 30-year veteran. He was doing under 5 million when he started with us. 4 years later, he's above $16 million a year. A 30-year veteran more than tripled his production, not because he learned how to close, he already knew how to close. It's because he got a pipeline. These aren't anomalies. This is what happens when a proven closer gets a system behind their skill. The close rate doesn't change, the number of conversations does, and that's the whole game. Here's the pattern. Kevin didn't become a better closer. Seth didn't go to sales school. Mark didn't reinvent his approach after 30 years. They all did the same thing. They stopped depending on a random opportunity and installed a system that generates qualified conversations on a predictable schedule. The pipeline changed. Their skill was already there. The problem was never your closing. It's that nobody built you a pipeline worthy of your close rate. If you're a strong closer who's tired of running out of people to talk to, the question isn't how to close better, it's how to get 20 plus pre-qualified conversations on your calendar every single month. I made a full video showing you exactly what that system looks like, how the leads are generated and how they're pre-qualified, and what happens between the ad and the appointment. Watch that one next. And if you already know you need a pipeline and you want to see what's available in your territory, the link to book a call with my team is in the description. You already have the hardest part figured out. Let me show you how to put a system behind it.